Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve a Python problem, and we need to input a list of words separated by whitespace, and we need to show in output how many times each word appear in the list. Actually we are calculating the frequency of each word. So let's try our program, and mm, comment out this, and we need input text from the user. Input enter text separated by white space, right? And next we need to split the text. We need to split the text that whenever a white space appear, then it form a word, right? So we need to split the text right here. So we need a new variable, that is words equal to text dot split. Let's see if it works or not. We print out the words and try it. Input park up. Let's see. Yes, it's working good. Now what we need yes, we need another dictionary that will keep the count of the words which appear. Okay, so word count is equal to an empty dictionary. We remove the print right here, and now here is the most important step appears here. We will loop through the words, and if any word found if it is already in the dictionary, then we will increment the count. If it is not found in a dictionary, then we will put the word in the dictionary with a count equal to 1. I hope you got what I am saying. Let's implement the idea. For word in words, right? If word in words count, if it is already in the words count, so we need words count plus words count that particular word, then plus equals, and we will increment that particular count. Else we need to set the count equals to word equals to 1. Let's see is it working or not. So words count, let's see how it's working. Park. Okay, let's try another input. Pakistan. Yes, it's working pretty good. So now we need to print each entry with this with the name in exactly single row, right? So in one column we need to print all the information. So for that we need a for loop again. For word and its count no, for words, and no, we don't need. Yes, for word count in words count dot items. I think, yeah, let's see if it work. We need an f string. Yes, the word here, and then its particular count. So let's see. Sorry, it's working. It's working now. India. Yeah, it's working good. That's all about our program. I hope you guys have understood that what we are going and how we implemented the whole scenario. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.